Hi, it's Kelly again, and welcome back to QMIC Weekly, bringing you the most recent Chinese steel prices and market trends every week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, steel prices showed a slight rebound out of some big news. On one side, the regulatory authorities in Tangshan issued a policy stating that this year's crude steel output won't beat last year. Meanwhile, whispers are flying around that Ganqi-Maodu port, the largest channel for importing coal from Mongolia, is planning to reduce its daily clearance volume to no more than 80,000 tons. This development has sparked concerns about a potential tightening of supply of steel products and raw materials, leading to prices increase during the first half of the week. However, despite a brief increase, the market is still in a sluggish state due to the continuing weak demand. Now let's examine the supply and demand aspects. China's steel output took a dip by about 180,000 tons this week, while the apparent demand for steel increased by more than 830,000 tons, with the total inventory shrank by 40,000 tons. Nonetheless, the increase in apparent demand is probably the result of low demand last week due to the holiday, and the underlying situation of supply exceeding demand has not yet reversed. Looking ahead, we believe that China's steel prices will continue on the downward slide, but don't expect a free fall. Why is that? Well, let's break it down. First, after the previous drop, both raw materials and steel prices are now at the doorstep of their lowest levels in the last 2 years, with coking coal even breaking its 2-year low. However, the supply level remains pretty up there compared to the sluggish demand. So what's the forecast? We expect that steel prices will continue to fluctuate with a downward trend, and this might go on for a bit, possibly 2 to 3 months, until steel supply drops to a notably low level and downstream demand actually recovers. Well, how do you see the Chinese steel market? As always, we'll keep monitoring the market and bring you the latest news and insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. See you next week. Bye bye!